Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm super excited to have you. We love exploring classic cars, muscle legends, and all things automotive, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever built, the 1970 Oldsmobile 442. This car is pure 1970s muscle, and trust me, it's more than just a car. It's an experience, a statement, and a piece of history all rolled into one. Right from the first glance, the 1970 Oldsmobile 442 commands attention. The front end features that legendary split grille with dual headlights that instantly give it an aggressive look. Those who know muscle cars instantly recognize it. Many models came with the W30 Performance package, which added that signature hood scoop, hinting at the beast under the hood. The long hood, short deck, and bold fenders give it that perfect muscle car proportion that we all love. Chrome accents, dual exhausts, and of course, the iconic 442 badges add to its charm. Every angle of this car screams power and performance, making it a head-turner even decades later. Stepping inside, the 442 continues to impress. The driver-focused cockpit has a large 3-spoke steering wheel, deep bucket seats, and an optional center console. Everything feels solid and purpose-built. Depending on the trim, you could get plush vinyl, wood grain accents, and a full-gauge cluster that makes you feel like a racing driver every time you sit down. The interior isn't just about looks, it's about the experience. You're meant to feel connected to the car, and Oldsmobile nailed it. The ergonomics, the tactile feel of the knobs, and the way the steering responds all make driving the 442 feel special. It's a classic example of a car built for the driver, not just the road. And then we come to the heart of this legend, the engine. The 1970 Oldsmobile 442 came standard with a 400 cubic inch V8 that produced around 350 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. That was already impressive, but the W30 package took things to another level, offering even more power for enthusiasts who wanted to push the limits. You could choose between a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic, and either way, this car could sprint from 0 to 60 in just over 6 seconds. For 1970, that was mind-blowing. The suspension was tuned to handle aggressive driving while keeping the car stable, and the dual exhausts produced that unmistakable growl that muscle car fans still dream about today. Driving the 442 is a full sensory experience. The V8 responds instantly to your throttle input, giving you that raw, unfiltered connection to the road. Steering is precise, the weight of the car adds a sense of confidence, and every gear shift feels mechanical and satisfying. It's not just about straight-line speed. Cornering in the 442 is surprisingly engaging thanks to its well-engineered chassis. This car was built to be driven hard, but also to be enjoyed on long cruises, making it versatile in a way few muscle cars are. There are also so many little details that make the 1970 Oldsmobile 442 special. Each W30 engine came with a dyno sheet showing its exact horsepower and torque, which was a very rare touch at the time. Optional heavy-duty cooling systems, upgraded brakes, and rally instrumentation were available for those who wanted the ultimate performance package. Even today, collectors and enthusiasts hunt down these cars not just for their looks, but for the experience of driving a genuine piece of muscle car history. Owning a 442 is like holding a trophy from an era when American muscle ruled the roads. What makes the 442 truly iconic is how it combines aggression with style. The exterior is bold, muscular, and unforgettable. The interior is comfortable yet driver-focused, and the engine delivers performance that still excites enthusiasts today. This car wasn't just built to sit in a garage, it was meant to be driven, to be heard, and to be felt. The 442 represents the pinnacle of 1970s muscle car engineering, where American designers and engineers didn't just build cars, they built dreams. So, if you're a fan of classic cars, muscle cars, or just want to see what real American power feels like, the 1970 Oldsmobile 442 is a car you can't ignore. From cruising the boulevard to tearing up the drag strip, this car delivers an experience that's both visceral and timeless. It's a car that demands attention, respect, and admiration, and it's easy to see why collectors and car enthusiasts still rave about it today. Thanks so much for watching this deep dive into the 1970 Oldsmobile 442. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow car lovers, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more classic car reviews and automotive adventures. Also, leave a comment below, what's your dream classic muscle car? I'd love to hear which cars you want me to cover next. That's it for today, and remember, every car tells a story, and the 1970 Oldsmobile 442 has one of the most thrilling stories in muscle car history. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.